Welcome to Settlers Square, an Alex Meisner community located just north of Cedar City in Enoch, Utah. Welcome to the Dawson at Settlers Square. The Dawson is a 1743 square foot floor plan featuring 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This floor plan has an open concept living, kitchen, and dining space, where homeowners have the option of adding upgrades like a gas or electric fireplace, living room built-ins, a decorative kitchen hood, and more. The kitchen comes standard with quality custom wood cabinetry, a stylish backsplash, and a pantry with sliding doors. Across from the kitchen you'll find the designated dining area, which gives direct access to the covered rear patio. The Dawson features a secluded master suite, with a private bathroom and large walk-in closet. On the opposite side of the home, you'll find the secondary bedrooms and another full bath. Just off of the garage is the laundry room and mudroom area. A custom mudroom bench is another popular upgrade. There are many ways to make the Dawson your own when you build a semi-custom home at Settlers Square. Many homeowners have chosen to add an unfinished basement, 3rd car garage, or even a 4th bedroom. As always, front yard landscaping is included. For more information on the Dawson, or other floor plans at Settlers Square, contact our sales agent, Jenny Vossler of ERA Realty Center. She can be reached by call or text at 435-559-1260.